Hey everyone, want to permanently remove deleted files from your Mega account? In this video, I'll show you how to empty the Mega trash step by step. Yeah, clearing your trash can help free up storage space and remove files you no longer need. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before deleting anything permanently. Next, open your Mega cloud storage and find the rubbish bin or trash section. This is where your deleted files and folders are stored before permanent removal. Now open the trash section and review the files and folders currently stored there. Take a moment to check the contents, because deleted items may not be recoverable after emptying the trash. To remove a specific file, select it, open the Options menu, and choose the Delete or Permanently Remove option. If you want to delete everything in the trash, look for the Empty Rubbish Bin or Empty Trash option. Select it and confirm the action when prompted. Mega will permanently remove the selected files from your account. The process may take some time if you have a large number of deleted files. After emptying the trash, check your available storage space to confirm that the deleted data has been removed. Remember, permanently deleted files usually cannot be restored, so make sure you no longer need the items before clearing the trash. So always review your deleted files carefully before confirming. If you use the Mega desktop app, allow some time for the changes to sync across your devices after emptying the trash, and that's how you empty Mega trash. By clearing unnecessary deleted files, you can keep your storage organized and make more space for new uploads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.